My name's Julia Gallagher and I've done advanced painting at City Lit. I've been interested in art in various forms all my life, and I've done pottery and photography and various courses. And then I came to City Lit and did a couple of courses in mixed media, and I absolutely loved them, but they were short courses and I really wanted to do something that was going to develop my practice over a longer period. And so I found this course, and it's 2 years. You start with the first, and then if you want to, you can go on into the second. What I particularly liked about it, it gave you a long period of both practical work and also discussions with the class and tutors that would enable you to not only try different things and develop your practice, but also think about it and think about what other artists have done. And there's a lot of reflection built in, which was really helpful. One of the really important factors of this course for me was the fact that it fitted around a full-time job. So that you have these monthly weekends in the studio, Saturdays and Sundays, but then alongside it you have online sessions once a week in the evenings, but it fits in when you're working full-time. So one of the things I really like about City Lit is that you get taught in small groups. You get a lot of attention, individual attention from the tutor, whoever's working with you that week, which means that you really get a chance to think more about what you're doing, to try different things that'll push you in different directions. When I first arrived here and I did my first course, I felt like I was excited, like being a child again, at the thrill of just having as much paint to work with and all the equipment and the time and the interest of tutors. It was just really, really fun. Over the course of the last year, I've increasingly taken myself more seriously, and I've now got a dedicated studio space. I've started entering calls for group shows, and I've just in fact got a piece that's currently on show in a gallery in Mayo. So it's taken me from being somebody that sort of dabbles occasionally to somebody who sees myself as producing work that's worth showing and worth sharing. So that's been absolutely fantastic.